So it's the middle of March. It's about 20 degrees warmer than it would ordinarily be, or should be. So Theodore and I decided to come out camping. There's some spring breakers over yonder where we were gonna go, so we're walking to see if we can find a good place to put a tent. Okay, come on, buddy. So I don't know how the fishing is gonna be, but the water is warming up, so we may be coming up into a spawn or pre-spawn. Yeah, so maybe pre-spawn, or they may be coming up shallower to spawn because it's unusually warm for this time of year, even for Las Vegas. There's a guy there. We may need to get into the pickup and drive a little bit. Yeah, so there's quite a few people out. This is the busiest I've ever actually seen it. Okay, we're gonna get into the pickup and see if we can find a good place to camp. Theodore, did you already fall in the water? Huh? Did you already fall in the water? Yeah. Yeah. So we drove around and found more people. So we kind of came back to where we were. There's our lovely spring breakers. Before I forget, this video is sponsored by Ghost Energy Drinks. It's not really, but that would be cool if it was. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and catch a fish on where it's kind of steeper a little bit more drop off. And then when it gets a little bit later, we'll drive over there and find a place to put a tent down. Okay, you ready? Mm-hmm. There's pokies on it. 1, 2, 3. Is that cool? So here we are, all set up at Lake Mead. Managed to find a little cove, somewhat secluded. Check this out, just look down here, looked in the water. That is a huge chunk of petrified wood. That is crazy. It's just laying right there. It's the second chunk of petrified wood I've found out here. This one is quite a bit bigger than the other one though. Theodore, look what I found. Look at this. It's a big old chunk of petrified wood.
Oh, what happened?
It's wood that turned into a rock.
Why it turned into a rock?
Because it's really old.
Can you put it in fire?
No, we're not going to burn it.
Why not?
Because we can't burn it.
Why not?
Well, for one, it won't burn.
Where do you find it?
It was in the water over there.
Oh.
Should we show it to Mama?
What happened to the fire?
Oh, did it go out?
Yeah.
Wow. It's a good thing Theodore's dad's an Eagle Scout. Look at that fire. Whew. It's embarrassing. Okay, hold on, let me fix it. Oh, Dad was just trying to be lazy. Here, let's leave these ones out here so we don't burn them all at once. Hold on, Dad's gonna do it.
More smoke. the smell of my fire?
All right. Big old hunk of petrified wood. That is dope. I'm not gonna take that out of this park, obviously, because that would be illegal. Yeah, I'm cooking you a hot dog. Look at all these hot dogs.
Oh, why do you get a rod?
Cause you want it a little bit cold. Is it yummy? Let me shine the light on you. Could do it. What do you call that dance move?
What? What? What dance move?
What you're doing? What's it called?
A dance move.
Theodore, are you having fun camping?
Look, that's melting.
Is it melting?
See it?
I do.
The shadows, Daddy.
Shadows, huh? Theodore, how come you like camping?
Because I do too.
How come?
Because I like to play sand
You like to play in the sand?
with my dump truck.
With your dump truck? Oh, you're sleepy? How come?
Because I want to be tired.
You want to be tired?
On the way on you. They're on the way on you.
Well, you're all wet, bud.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, what's on your face? Cheetos?
Welcome.
Don't put that in your face. Theodore's in bed. Gonna grab some water. Then we're gonna hit the haystack. And yeah, pretty nice little spot over here. Hi, buddy. What? I'm making eggs. Well, the fishing hasn't been great, but we had breakfast, and now we're gonna do something cool. You wanna do something cool, Theodore?
What is it?
You wanna burn a big bush?
That's what you want to do.
Do you think it's gonna burn good? Whoa, buddy. That's a big one. There it goes. Say bye-bye, bush.
Bye-bye, bush. Put that one in the water. Put that in the water, Daddy. Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, look at that.
That's a big one.
Flying out from the sky. What happened to fire? Look, a fire.
Yeah.